Whether you're communicating with professors, internship sites, future employers, or fellow classmates, email etiquette is important. Email etiquette is a set of principles that outline the appropriate behaviors in email communication. This is important because it allows you to maintain professionalism and ensures that emails are straightforward and easily understood. When communicating via email, here are some things to keep in mind. Number 1, use an appropriate email address. It would be appropriate to send emails from your WIU email address when corresponding with professors, classmates, and others on campus. When sending an email to an employer, it is acceptable to use your personal email address. However, be sure to create an email address that is professional. For example, cutiepie400@domain.com is not professional. Using your first and last name or initials to create an email address is appropriate. Number 2, use a clear subject line. The subject line of the email should give context to what is being addressed in the email. It is best practice to keep the email subject line short, clear, and concise. Do not send emails without a subject line. When you are corresponding with a professor, be sure to include the class section you are in, your first and last name, and a general idea of the topic in the subject line. Number 3, introduce yourself. Professors, professionals across campus, and job recruiters interact with numerous people daily, so introducing yourself is very important so that they know exactly who it is they are corresponding with, especially if they do not know you personally. Number 4, maintain a professional tone. Be sure to maintain a polite and professional tone when sending emails. Do not use emojis, all caps, or text lingo in emails. Use full sentences and proper grammar structure when communicating via email as well. Number 5, proofread the email. Make sure that you proofread the email before sending to ensure that you correct any grammatical or spelling errors that you may have overlooked while writing. Try reading it aloud. This often helps us hear it the way others will read it. Number 6, be mindful of reply versus reply all. When responding to an email, reply sends your response to the sender, whereas reply all would send your response to all individuals in the email chain. In many cases, you would want to avoid using reply all when discussing confidential information. In other cases, using reply all instead of reply can create a heap of emails in your inbox. Number 7, salutations. Open the email with a greeting. Using greetings such as "Good morning, Jane Doe," "Hi, John Doe," or "Good afternoon, Professor" are appropriate. Closing salutations are also important. Close the email with salutations such as "Best regards" or "Much thanks" as a way to sign off on the email. Here's a visual of the key elements that should be included in an email. Notice that this email includes a subject line, salutations, an introduction, and a body of text. When using the proper guidelines of email etiquette, email can be an effective means of communication.